Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Slack account. Whether you're joining Slack for work, collaborating on projects, or just exploring a new tool for communication, getting started is simple and straightforward. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. Before we begin, it's helpful to understand that Slack is designed to centralize communication, reduce email overload, and integrate seamlessly with hundreds of productivity tools, making it a powerful platform for both small teams and large organizations. First, you'll need to start the sign-up process by heading over to the official Slack website. So, open your web browser and type in slack.com/create. Once the page loads, you'll see a prompt to enter your email address. It's usually best to use a work email if you plan to use Slack for business purposes. After typing in your email, go ahead and click Continue. Many users find that using a consistent work email helps with workspace discovery later on, especially if your company already uses Slack. Now, Slack will send a confirmation code to the email address you've just provided. You'll want to check your inbox for this email. It's a good idea to have a quick glance at your spam or junk folder as well, just in case it ended up there. Once you find the email, take note of the 6-digit verification code it contains. Return to the Slack page and enter the 6-digit code where prompted. After entering the code, simply click Continue again to proceed. Slack uses this verification method instead of traditional passwords during sign-up to streamline the process and ensure that only the rightful owner of the email can continue. With verification out of the way, you'll move on to creating your workspace. This workspace is your unique communication hub on Slack, so let's get it set up. Start by clicking on Create a Workspace. From here, you'll be guided through the process. You'll need to name your workspace, which could be your company name, a team name, or a project name. Remember, this name will be displayed at the top of your Slack app, so choose something that makes sense for how you plan to use it. A clear workspace name also helps team members quickly identify the correct environment if they belong to multiple Slack workspaces. Next, you'll set up your account details by entering your full name and selecting a password. This step is vital, as it helps establish your identity within the workspace and ensures your account is secure. During this process, Slack might ask you what project or topic your team is currently working on. This is optional, but if you choose to fill it out, it can help Slack suggest a relevant first channel name, something like Quarterly Marketing Plan, if that's appropriate. Early structure makes it easier to keep conversations organized from day one. Now, you'll have the option to invite your teammates by entering their email addresses. If you're not quite ready to do that just yet, no problem. You can skip this step and come back to it later. Inviting teammates early can help you test features such as messaging, file uploads, and integrations, but there's no pressure to do so immediately. And finally, once everything is set, you're ready to launch Slack. Simply click the final button, which is often labeled something like "See your channel in Slack" or "Go to your workspace." That's it. You're now ready to explore Slack, customize it to fit your needs, and start communicating more effectively with your team or partners. So dive in and explore all the features Slack has to offer. Thanks for joining us today, and happy chatting on Slack. For ongoing tips, tutorials, and productivity strategies, consider subscribing to the channel. New content is added regularly to help you get even more out of your digital tools.